Alex, you sure you want to have that ball right there? What do you think? That's not really a pillow. But you reached out and grabbed that thing and brought it right to you, didn't you? You want to eat it? I don't think it's very edible, dude. Yeah? What do you think? If you want to put your head down, you're not going to... Yeah? Oh, don't do that. Here, let me take that. Let me take that thing from you. Come on. Let go. Let go, Alex. Are you not going to let go? Holding on for dear life? Come on. Alex, are you tired? Hey, can I have this thing? You're still holding on. Look at that. Hey. You still got a firm grip on that thing. Alright, you can have it. You gonna lift your head up again, or are you done? Just taking a little nap here? What do you... Alright, don't hit your head up with that, okay?